Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile in this 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander. So from any screen on the dash here, you've got a voice control here, voice prompt.
Link system ready.
Setup.
Select one of the following: pairing options, confirmation prompts, language, password, select phone, or select music player.
Pairing options.
Select one of the following: pair, edit, delete, list, or set code.
Pair.
Start pairing procedure on the device. See the device manual for instructions. The pairing code is 2010.
Okay, so I've put my phone to Bluetooth. It's picked up hands-free here. I'll click on hands-free. It said 2010 pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Hands-free connected.
Please say the name of the device after the beep.
Barry's iPhone.
Adding.
Barry's iPhone.
Is this correct?
Yes.
Pairing complete. Would you like to import the contacts from your mobile device now? This may take several minutes.
No, thank you.
Pairing complete.
So there you see.
Would you like to import the contacts from your mobile device now? This may take several minutes.
No. Right, okay, so that's it done. You see there, hands-free connected. Now, it will also stream music from your phone through the system. So if we go to music, we click on music here, Chili Peppers there. I'm going to turn this down, click play. So that's playing. You see at the bottom, hands-free system. If you just touch that, you see you've got a choice between iPhone and hands-free. It's on hands-free. We'll go back to the record, over to the system, we'll click media. Bluetooth, it's already on Bluetooth audio. Now, if it's not, the source button at the bottom right-hand corner there, you'll see there, it could have been on CD. So, sorry, just turn that down. So, we're on music here, we click play, we go over to the system, we click media. And there you go. If it's not on, change it to, it keeps defaulting automatically to the Bluetooth. So that's how you do it. And there you go. If I turn that up and then turn this up, that's how you stream audio. I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander. It's not as simple or as intuitive as you might think. Normally you can just go over to the piece of equipment and click on either info menu or whatever, but there's nothing there to help you delete it. Normally, again, you can click on the phone, go into it, knock the phone off, but with this you can't. What you have to do is the voice control. Setup.
Barry's iPhone is connected. Ready.
Setup.
Select one of the following: pairing options, confirmation prompts, language, password, select phone, or select music player.
Pairing options.
Select one of the following: pair, edit, delete, list, or set code.
Delete.
Please say 1 for
Barry's iPhone.
or all.
1.
Deleting.
Barry's iPhone.
Is this correct?
Yes.
Deleted.
That's it. You'll see it's gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a phone manually with the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander. Okay, from any screen, first of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom. Over to phone, click on phone. You see there, connection between Bluetooth device in progress. Use the passkey 1212. Hands-free systems come up here. Click on hands-free system. 1, 2, 1, 2, pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. I'm looking for hands-free. Hands-free there's connected. Oh, hang on. It's gone back to knock. There you go. And it's showing on the system. Importing an entire phone book from this phone, I don't want to, but you would. That's it done. That's the manual way. That's the easiest way, in my opinion, especially when you've got a cold, because the voice prompts don't recognise what you're saying. So that's how you do that. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander. Any screen here, you've got map there. If you just click on map, if you just want to see where you're going, then that's it. We can zoom in there. That zooms in like so. Or navigation. Navigation on the right hand side. Click on nav, and you've got points of interest, address junction, postal code. We want postal code. Postal code, all postal codes. There we go. Click on that. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, Preston. P R 5 4 E A. So that's it all. PR5 4EA. You've got all streets, all house numbers, all junctions. I just want anywhere. All streets. List. Blackburn Road. Yes, that's what I want. Set. Home, back, adjust and start. We want start.
Please proceed to the indicated route.
That's it. So you've got to select the road, otherwise it won't allow you to proceed. But that's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.